Buongiorno dear American friends, my name is Marco Ceglia, I'm Italian and I'm honored to be a tour director of Odysseus. Today I would like to share with you something related to my country and my culture, so please follow me. So my friends, I was born in the wonderful city of Naples, Napoli in Italian. Napoli is widely famous for the landscape of its Gulf and the Mount Vesuvius, which is the volcano you can see over there. Napoli, as well as the whole Italian peninsula, has also a very rich gastronomic tradition. But there is a particular dish invented long time ago here in Napoli, which is now popular everywhere in the world. We are talking about pizza, and more precisely about pizza margherita, which is the queen of pizzas. So come with me and let's discover more about this delicious delicacy. Welcome to my place, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to show you the ingredients to prepare a real pizza margherita. We start with fresh basil. Then we have mozzarella cheese, which is this, is like a ball, and you can see there is a line because we cut it by hand, and cut by hand in Italian is mozzare. That's why we call it mozzarella. And then we have the tomato sauce. Here we are, my friends. We are ready to prepare our pizza margherita. I already prepared the dough because it takes a while, and to prepare the dough I just use flour, salt, natural yeast and water. So I just put one of the piece of dough out of my tray on the bench and I start flattening it. Okay, you should know that there is a legend about pizza margherita. Pizza margherita was invented in 1989 when the Queen Margaret of Savoy came to visit Naples, and so Raffaele Esposito, a chef, was commissioned to create a new pizza for this event. Well, he created the pizza with the same colors of the Italian flags. Green for basil, white for mozzarella cheese, and red for tomato. Queen Margherita was so impressed by the pizza and by the taste of the pizza that decided to write a letter to Raffaele Esposito. Raffaele Esposito was so happy that he decided to give the name of pizza margherita to his invention. So now we are going to put our ingredients on the pizza. We start with the tomato. So we put tomato all around. Then we put mozzarella on top, adding colors to our pizza margherita. And finally, we put some basil and a bit of extra virgin olive oil. So now we can put our pizza here and we stick it into the oven. So now it takes very short time for the pizza to cook. We put a dish here, almost there. Here we go. The pizza is coming out. We put it here. And here it is, a real pizza margherita. Enjoy.